Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve 20 power x plus 20 power x plus 20 power x by 10 power x plus 10 power x plus 10 power x equal 100, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So if I take 20 power x as common from numerator, so it's 1 plus 1 plus 1, and 10 power x from denominator, so 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now, so it becomes 20 power x times 3 by 10 power x times 3 equal 100. So we can cancel out this. So 20 power x by 10 power x equal 100. So we can write this as 20 by 10 whole power x equal 100. So this gives only 2 power x equal 100. Now, if I'll take log on both sides, so log 2 power x equal log 100. So this becomes x log 2 equal log 100. I can write it as 10 square. So if I'll divide both sides, or first we can write this right hand side as 2 log 10. So if I'll divide both sides by log 2 to isolate x. So x equal 2, and this log 10 I can write it as log 2 times 5 by log 2. So x equal 2 bracket this log 2 times 5, I can write it as log 2 plus log 5 by log 2. So x equal 2 log 2 plus 2 log 5 by log 2. X equal 2 log 2 by log 2 plus 2 log 5 by log 2. So this will cancel out. So x equal 2 plus 2 log 2 with base log 5 with base 2. So this is the value of x, or you can take 2 as common. So 1 plus log 5 with base 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.